Hi everybody, NAVIFORCE again here. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of our NAVIFORCE men's quartz watch. The model number is the NF9198. Okay, without further ado, now let's start. As you can see, the black outside box is very textured and it has very nice quality. Now let me read it off. Okay, here take out the inside box. You can see there is a guarantee card and the warranty period is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual card. With this instruction manual, you can easily adjust your new watch. And here is the NF9198. The watch is the Quartz calendar watch. That is the watch that I will unbox and make a review today. Now let's first have a look at the back side. From the back side, you can note the model number of this watch. Here, the NF9198, and you can know some other information. The material of the bag, the stainless steel bag, and the waterproof for this watch is 3 ATM. It uses hardened mineral glass, so that it is scratch resistant and very durable to use. The case diameter of this model is 43.4 millimeter and the thickness is 13.9 millimeter. The case is made of zinc anode material and the strap is stainless steel material. The total length of this watch is 245 millimeter, and you can notice that the strap is 3-link design and has very nice quality. And the brushed center links and the buckle. Here the brush finish has been well polished, so it looks quite nice. And this watch make use of folding buckle with safety. It is very easy to wear and convenient. Let me show you. Now let's have a look at more details about this watch. This watch takes inspiration from the Geneva Lake. On the dial, the Geneva stripes resemble a calm lake with ripples, conveying a leisurely mood, matched with thick words start of different shapes. The round circle shape and the rectangular shape. Here, this watch shows a sense of unconstraint And you can see that at the 3 o'clock position, the small date and the week display windows are side by side, which makes it easy to read two-dimensional time in one glance. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. The first one is the solid gold. Here the all golden bezel and the strap and the surface is very cool and high advanced. And the second one is the rose gold and the blue. Third one is the silver and the blue. And the first one is the color that I just mainly talk about, that is the silver and the black. Fifth one is the black dial and the silver strap. And the last one of this model is the black dial and the gold bezel and the silver strap. The model, all of the model is very gentle and it can bring you a leisurely and comfortable visual effect from the whole room. Very fascinating, right? Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9198 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.